Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Patriot Software for tax season readiness, complete guide step by step clearly. To prepare Patriot Software for tax season, start by logging into your Patriot Software account. Upon login, navigate to the Settings tab on the left sidebar. Click on the Payroll option to access payroll settings. Review your employee information to ensure that all details are accurate and up to date. Verify that each employee's tax withholding information is correctly entered. Check for any changes in employee status, such as new hires or terminations, and update as needed. Next, navigate to the Taxes section within the Payroll settings. Confirm that your federal, state, and local tax rates are accurate for your business. If any tax rates have changed, make the necessary updates to reflect these changes. After confirming tax rates, proceed to review any payroll reports from the previous year. Ensure that all payroll data is accurate and complete, as this information will be critical for tax filing. Once you have verified your payroll data, generate a year-to-date payroll report for each employee. This report will provide a summary of wages, withholdings, and other relevant tax information. Download and save these reports in a secure location for easy access during tax filing. Next, configure the year-end settings in the Payroll section. Select the option to generate W-2 forms for your employees. Review the W-2 settings to ensure that all information is being captured correctly. Once verified, proceed to generate the W-2 forms for each employee. After generating the W-2s, review them carefully for any discrepancies. Make any necessary corrections before finalizing the forms. Now, return to the Settings tab to check any additional configurations needed for your state taxes. Navigate to the state tax settings and review the state-specific requirements. Confirm that you are set up to file state taxes accurately and on time. If your company is required to file any local taxes, make sure you have the correct settings configured as well. Once you have confirmed all tax settings, consider scheduling a reminder for your tax due dates. Set up notifications for important tax deadlines to ensure timely filings. Finally, conduct a trial run of your payroll process before the actual tax season begins. This will help you identify any potential issues early on. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.